Hello, friends. If you think drawing map of India is hard, but after this you won't. Today I am going to draw a map of India in 5 minutes. To draw the map of India with names, first lightly sketch the outer outline of India, making it broader at the top and narrower toward the south. Shape the top with uneven curves for Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, then move right to form Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Draw Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat on the left side, and add Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal in the central eastern area. Extend the map to the northeast and draw Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, and Meghalaya. In central India, add Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. Then draw Maharashtra, Telangana, and Odisha below them. For the southern part, sketch Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, ending with a pointed tip. After finishing the state boundaries, neatly write the name of each state inside or beside it with arrows if needed. Darken the final lines, erase extra marks, and color the states differently to make the map clear and attractive. If you enjoy drawing videos, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe YouTube channel for more videos. Let's draw step by step.